Hi, it's Dutch here with Rhino, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Karate Kid. So there's the front, and the spine, and the back. And I'll be back once I get the cellophane off. So here's the front again without the J card. And the spine, and the back. On the inside you get the digital copy and some advertisements for some of the steelbooks you can get on Zavvi. And then you get the disc, and I won't take the disc out because there is no inside artwork. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the Karate Kid. Thanks for watching. Bye!